I know with all this urge growing up and things like that. And beside the fact that, of course, there's a lot of Yetzer, but especially with wasting seed, what best would you suggest, what advice would you give to everybody?
The biggest thing is to begin by watching your eyes. Watch your eyes on where you go on the internet. Watch your eyes where you go in general. If you know that there's a certain place, people invite you to a party, and you know there's going to be a lot of immodesty there, don't go. Don't think that you're going to be able to watch your eyes in this party. So the Gemara in Bava Metzia says that there's a guy that has to go from one place to another, and he has two options. He's in a hurry. If he takes option A, it's the shortest route. It's the shortest route, but it's full of immodesty. The second one is much, much longer, but it's clear. It's much, much longer, he's clear. Nothing, there's nobody there. But it's going to take him 50% more time. So he decides to go on the shorter route and close his eyes the whole time. So he doesn't see anything. And that's what he does. He goes, he closes his eyes. This eventually gets to his destination. So the Gemara says, so what's his din in Shemaim? Tzaddik, no? Righteous, he closed his eyes, he didn't see anything. Gemara says, Rashahu is wicked. Wicked of wicked. Why wicked? He didn't what? He didn't see anything. He says, this guy not only is a Rasha, he's arrogant. What made him think that he can go into an immodest place and overcome his Yetzirah? Even though he overcame his Yetzirah now, what makes him think that he's going to overcome it next time? The fact that he took that chance means he doesn't understand what it means to sin, means he's arrogant, he doesn't understand anything, he's a wicked person. Which means that a person is not allowed to allow themselves to go to any place of immodesty. If you have a family member that invites you to a party, a wedding, a bar mitzvah, a bat mitzvah, whatever mitzvah, and you know that that place has mixed dancing, under no condition are you allowed to attend. You're not allowed to attend to such an extent that the Torah says, "Areg ve'al ya'avor." It's better the person dies and doesn't go to a mixed dancing party. Why? Because every single time men and women dance in public, it's considered gilui arayot. It's considered a sex crime. You're not allowed to show affection to the opposite sex, even if it's your wife, in public. And when they're dancing, the Sefer Hasidim says that wedding is not only full of people, it's full of demons that they're creating. And all of the people that attend take those demons home with them. That's why a lot of divorces come out of these parties, a lot of cheating comes out of these parties, a lot of problems come out of these parties. I know one particular couple, we tried giving them advice not to have a mixed dancing party. No matter what we did, no one wanted to listen. Yelling, screaming, crying, sending letters, sending books, making videos, anything and everything you can imagine, we did. They said, no, we have to have, the family is all secular, even though we keep Shabbat. Still, you know, everybody's going to drive us crazy if we have a mixed dancing party. If we can't do it. We can't do that kind of wedding like the Charedim. We're not Charedi. I said, it doesn't matter if you're Charedi. You're Jewish, you're not allowed to have a mixed dancing party. They didn't want to listen. They had the party the night of their wedding. The night of their wedding, they almost got divorced, and the families haven't spoken in 6-7 years. Why? What happened at that party? Another one also gave them advice. Don't have this mixed dancing parties. Yeah, but it's only a bat mitzvah. She's only 12. What's the big deal? I said 12 years old, according to the Torah, is a full-grown woman. She dances with a guy, that's Gilui Arayot. No, okay, proofs, this, that. Nothing worked. Nothing worked. They had the party. Literally within months, the family almost went bankrupt. One of them almost died. One of the kids went to the hospital. The amount of tzarot they had since that party, honestly, I think maybe Gehinom is saying, no, leave some for us. Leave some for us. Why are you taking everything? People don't understand the type of crime it is to have such a wedding. Those DJs that DJ at those parties, there's no end to their Gehinom for being a partner. Those cameramen that take pictures of all the immodest women, Hashem Yirachem, what's going to happen to them? And the people that go to those places, problem. So a person that wants to be a kosher person, even if they're not Moshe Rabbeinu yet, but they simply want to be a kosher person, don't allow yourself to go to such a place. It could be your father or your mother, your sister, your brother, doesn't make a difference. Don't allow your neshama to go and be part of such a big crime against Hashem. Don't allow your neshama. Don't allow your neshama to go to a party where you know there's going to be immodesty there. Don't allow your neshama to go to a place where you know there's immodesty. You know that there's a certain store that everybody that walks there, everybody that goes there is Hashem Yirachem. For example, the malls here in Florida. Baruch Hashem, I've only been at once and I never went again. 5 years ago, we wanted to get something for a phone. The only store that was in the mall. We went, literally, 37 seconds and ran out. I've never been to the mall again since then. I barely live in the house anyway. Why? I said, the mall, the beach, same thing. Here in Florida, same thing. So if you want to watch your eyes, you cannot go to a mall. You cannot go to a lot of places. Now you can say, wait, so what am I going to do, stay home all day? No, you go to the kollel. Kollel, home, work. Limit yourself. Why? You have to watch your eyes. It's difficult, I understand. What do you think, being a tzaddik that has Gan Eden is supposed to be easy? If it was easy, everybody would be in Gan Eden. So you have to watch your eyes. You have to, like I said before, watch your behavior, be a modest man as well as a woman. You have to choose your friends carefully. Just because they're your friends growing up doesn't mean they need to be your friends once you've grown up. Interests change, lives change, mindsets change. If your minds are alike and you continue to think alike and you continue to be on the same road, your friendship can continue to grow. But if he's an atheist and you're trying to be an Eved Hashem, your friendship cannot continue, at least not to the same extent. Why? He's an enemy of God. You're trying to be a friend of God. So the point is that yes, tshuva is hard at times on the heart. But I promise you, if you continue standing strong for HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you're only going to win in the end.